going to take the classical Utthita Trikonasana and start to change up the arm positions behind the back. So this is going to give us a really nice opening in the chest, opening in the shoulders, to then take into our classical pose. I'm going to show you back view so you can see the different arm positions that we're taking. So you'll start by stepping your feet wide. Take your ankles underneath your wrists. Turn your left toes in, spin your entire right leg out. Okay, levelize the pelvis, roll the right upper thigh out, and then on the exhalation, come into your classical Trikonasana, extending both sides of the trunk evenly away from the pelvis. Now we'll take the first position, interlace the fingers behind the back, and pull straight back. Second position, hold onto the elbows, crossing at the forearms. Third position, hold onto one wrist, pull back. Fourth position, Paschimottanasana, palms together, elbows, shoulders back. And then finally, Gomukhasana arms, holding the, interlocking the hands. And then come down into your classical Trikonasana and just feel how those arm positions have helped. And then on the inhalation, come on up, leading with the top hand, turn both feet forward, and then you can step or jump your feet back together. Happy practicing and namaste.